As I have told you that for the initial group discussion, GTA will give you two topics. Now, the first topic, all of you know about artificial intelligence. Now, in your opinion, artificial intelligence is exploiting which sector most? I'll repeat, AI is exploiting which sector most? Is it education, it is social media, or it is science and technology? Clear? Okay, second topic. Which of the following has changed the Indian society most? Fair education to many, giving liberty to children, or deviating from Indian family ethos? Clear about the topic? Okay, you can decide on which topic you want to speak.
First topic because AI is recently come in our.
I have to take the first topic to be
First topic
discussed.
is.
I have to take first topic.
Recently AI is.
Okay, how many want to speak for the first topic? Okay, majority? Okay, majority or one equal? Okay, I'll repeat the first topic. AI is exploiting which sector most? Education.
Affecting education sector is the most because we know that the education is the process to learning by the teachers to students, and students tends to explore the things whichever subject they are studying, but through artificial intelligence they are not exploring the subject within themselves. They just went to artificial intelligence, they put any other topic and they get the information and they just copy and paste that information. Because
I
earlier,
personally agree to gentlemen because AI is not completely covered on education. I think it is social medias because nowadays social medias many news are coming AI deepfake videos and many things are happening on social
I
media.
agree with chess number 21 that AI has most impact on social media itself, and because of social media, as chess number 11 mentioned, that education AI has most impact on education. But it is the social media platforms like YouTube and different platforms where the education. So I think the
if social media,
Yes.
it
Yes,
is
social
true that
media is
social media is
affecting
affected
most,
by the
I
artificial
personally agree
intelligence.
to-
But what about the
I think
education?
we-
Earlier when the internet was not there, children learn the new topics by exploring the books, by going to library. But after the coming the internet and even after internet, the artificial intelligence, the students don't understand the need of the library.
I think on
They don't value the books.
social studies YouTube channel is not a AI.
Gentlemen, I believe that when AI is emerging, it is very important for people to be educated more about the impacts of AI. And since AI is affecting the education sector, I think that would create a more detrimental effect on the people, that people are not aware about impacts of AI. They are not very much interested in education because of emergence of AI.
I agree that AI is not only affecting education in a negative way, but also AI is affecting education in the positive way also. But everything has a two aspect, positive as well as negative. So AI is not, it's not necessary that AI is affecting education in a negative way. AI is also helping many students, many researchers to enhance their research, to enhance their studies. But apart from that, AI is also making students less
Productive
less
and less
productive
creative.
and less
Yes, I
creative.
personally, but in social media, the AI is promoting different kinds of.
Have been affected from the AI, as we see that most of the complex problem that we have, AI can solve the problem in the future. And
So it is-
I think AI is affecting social media. For an example, AI is producing wrong videos of celebrities that they are promoting some negative links or something. It is deep fake video, so that it
I
is
would like to
important.
highlight the point that AI is being incorporated to identify these videos also. So you
Yes,
know,
yes.
AI is more or promoted in a positive manner to curb these issues.
But it is impact on its social media also. You are saying that positive, but it is also impacting on social media. What is it?
Arts number 21 that are also there that are fake tweets and fake voice calls are also being circulated in the
Yes.
social media platforms like X and YouTube also. And I would they recently there was cases of kidnapping also. Their fake voice notes were made of their children, and they demand money. And this is the impact.
Yes, I agree 37. And
Yes,
positive
yes.
impact also is from AI is on social media, not on education, I think so.
But again, to identify those cyber criminals, those
We
fake
need good
deepfake videos,
quality education. We need
Yes,
good quality
good quality education.
And we are incorporating AI into
But
education.
but in
and AI is also
our
used to control those cyber crimes.
but our in AI is not so much covered the education, I think
I would also like to
so.
highlight that government of India is collaborating with different MNCs to promote teachers' education by the help of AI. So meanwhile, when teachers are very much educated about AI, they can also help the other students to learn. So in that way, AI is also impacting education in positive manner.
And
Yes,
in a
I
positive
partially
way,
agree to
one
chess
point
number
I
13,
would like
but
to add-
my point is
Students
that.
are just doing their homework.
But my point is that in Corona, we have the online platforms that we can study. So there was not AI that time. Then also we are studying in good positive way, and AI is impacting
Gentlemen,
social media.
also existed in Corona period when there
Yes,
was
it
not much
existed,
AI.
but now it is more about AI and social media, because on social media there are different types of AI features, and that can be used in positive and negative. But they are impacting on social media only.
But you can see that
I
it is
think-
providing
impacting
many
more on
jobs
the
and through
children's
social
education
media
and
influences as increases day by day, and we can also see it helps in script writing also, and different product designing. AI also help in boost your products on online platforms and help you make different websites to boost the online marketing, and it helps in the.
Okay, one
Yes,
second, one
it
second.
has
One
been
second.
experience on AI.
Hard work.
But
They are using
gentlemen,
social media
as
instead of
I
doing their
introduced,
homework.
only the person who is
Must study.
educated a bit about AI can use these AI platforms, as chess number 32 mentioned. So I think the first and basic step is education about AI. And
Yes, I
that's
agree.
why
I think
education
chess
sector
number
is basic.
One more
AI
thing,
is
one more thing I
our
would
topic
like
was
to
AI
add.
impacting
Because,
the
AI
education,
impacted
but
children
education
most.
I
As
don't
the
have
children
any
are
example of
ignoring
that
hard work and
any
they're
AIs come
just
in
copying their
studies.
homework with
If
One
you
more
have an
thing.
example, you can
I
tell.
have many
I want to
examples.
give an
There
example.
are Pert.ai, and also there are government NPTEL portals which are providing AI education, and there are various job demands that are creating in AI, like AI development. So it is impacting the education sector, as when people would be informed and more educated about AI.
But
they can take up
we
these
can
jobs.
talk about the numbers. Then it
Yeah,
is impacting on social media, not on education. I think so.
Gentlemen, social media is just promoting AI. It is not. It is basically not affected by AI. AI
Social media is affected by AI. There are many defamation videos are there. Their profile is decreasing by the deepfake videos and tweets and voice calls. There are many money laundry online only.
I want to give an example.
Exploitation of AI by the by taking social media, there are many rumors are also be spread.
And also
Yes,
there
many
is
rumors,
also
but
impact
I want to give an example of the negative impact of the artificial intelligence on the education
Gentlemen,
sector.
I would like to
I
highlight
want-
that in rural areas, government is taking initiative like incorporating AI and robotics technology education in the rural areas. So in rural areas, people are not very much impacted by AI, but are more reliant on government scheme and education sector.
But I
So,
think so, gentlemen,
and
it
major
is.
population of India is residing in rural.
I think it is more about the impact and not about the how we are using. Impact is done on social media.
Gentlemen, in today's world, we can see all of us are using social media too much,
Yes.
and AI is helping us to find a better path or our choice.
AI has positive impact, but as well as AI also has many negative impacts.
But in
Like,
education,
I
AI
think
is also
in
have
many ways-
negative
in many
impact.
ways AI
That
is affecting
students
the
will not
creativity.
try to solve their problems by their own. They will always search question on
In many ways, AI
education.
is
So
affecting our creativity because
but
there
in
is because if
social
there is
media, I
certain
think so.
issue,
It's in a
if
larger
there is
manner
certain
because
issue in a
we
student's
can.
life, if there is a certain issue in the student's life earlier, if the topic he used to learn, he tend to learn, but because he used library, he used books, he used his own mind,
His
he used his
creativity and logical
creativity.
skills are
But now in the form of
divided
AI, he is just copy and paste the other things from the artificial intelligence.
And doing simplification.
It is not about the number of people they are impacting. It is about the impact, the how much the impact is there.
AI is
But
AI
in
is
social
simplifying
media
our life.
also
There is no
we
doubt
can
that artificial
from AI
intelligence
we
is
can
simplifying
also
our
get
life.
the.
Taking people away from the education sector.
Yes, I partially agree. Choice number 13, but
using their interest in studies, it is a very big effect and very detrimental.
But AI also impacting the education online platforms. Students and even the AI is helping students in studying and also making their
there are many AI videos about education. There are many videos about AI.
work, not.
It is true that AI simplified. It is true.
simplifying
I want to say that
They
it is
are
true
ignoring
that
hard
AI
work.
simplified our life in many ways. AI affected our life in many positive ways. But too much simplified life just kills the creativity of the human beings,
Okay,
kills the
gentlemen,
creativity of the
let
education.
us take a personal example. What is the major use of AI in our life? We generally use ChatGPTs to solve our assignment. So if we take it to the ground level, mostly students are using AI.
I partially agree to
But
test number
let's
30,
say-
but
so
I
that
think
is
so we are
that
using
is
the
students.
social
Not
media
even
accounts
that,
very
they are
much.
using for
So
their
we
purposes.
do AI Photoshop of our photos and AI videos and everything we are using on social media. I think
number of
so.
people are doing it. Majorly office-going persons are using it. Like in people in IT sector are producing codes using ChatGPT and other black box
I want to
AI.
add a point that
And also in education sector, we are getting our assignments
of
done.
AI.
And
Not-
most
and
of
not
all
only the
students in
all-
India are who are students or working class persons.
I personally agree test number 30, but in all YouTuber content creators, they are taking help for their content from AI.
What percentage of Indian population is YouTuber or what percentage of Indian population is YouTuber according to you, gentlemen?
Gentlemen,
And what percentage of Indians are students or working class?
About you, what percentage of using social media and education? I think all of more use of social media than education.
Percentage
I
of
think
the
so.
education
Yes,
sectors are the high.
Yes. Let us talk about numbers, gentlemen. If we talk that what percentage of India is are students or working personnel, and what percentage of Indians are creating content creators on Instagram on social media.
But in normal life, we also use social media.
it includes various factors like we can see.
But the
Many people have started
students who are
dropshipping
studying
their
their
own
social media
own
are
marketing.
Dropshipping generally comes in the e-commerce perspective and not the social
But with
media
the help of
perspective.
But if social media is AI.
Yes. So I would also like to come up with the various startups in education sector like Unacademy and other that are incorporating AI into their field. So that is
And they are
impacting-
using AI to give the education in the most creative way, in the most brighter
AI
way.
would be able to impact people when they have more information about it.
I want to add an example on WhatsApp. There is an AI feature recently added in our WhatsApp. We can use it as how we can take photos, how we can upload videos. What is most appropriate way?
Yes, gentlemen, but gentlemen, don't you think that more number of people are students who are more interested in increasing academic
Yes,
potential
I partially
rather
agree.
than doing this unproductive work on social media like uploading videos and
Yes, but in normal life, but in
AI feature of WhatsApp or any other social media platform.
Indian students are interested in doing their own startup and making their own content.
yes,
videos.
they want to earn money. They want to be independent, so they are using AI on
that is
platform.
a far-fetched thing. If we take the current scenario, majorly students are preparing for either competitive exams or most of the Indians are interested in engineering degrees, which has a lot of use in AI.
And if we
The
talk about
student-
AI feature of WhatsApp or if we talk,
Are in these sectors, we can take many examples.
They are also using social media partially also.
They are ignoring
if we
their
talk
They are
about
not
AI
only
feature of
not,
WhatsApp
they are
or
not
any
only
social
doing
media
studies.
people and students are. If we talk about
Gentlemen, if
any
we talk
AI
about-
feature of the WhatsApp, people are generally using
To get
rather
their
than
assignment
By the
to
done.
assignment or to
they-
solve their
It is not
educational
about which
problem.
platform is coming up.
They are just ignoring their education and they are
They just want to
focusing
their
more
life
on the
easier
social
and
media.
But normal people also use social media and use AI. I think so.
Gentlemen, both the points are interconnected, but the major point is that the AI is most impacted on social media only. That
Yes, I agree to test number 31.
Gentlemen, I think student life is most impacted by social media.
Just ignoring their education.
By social media, yes, student life is impacted, but by social media. AI is done on social media.
That is not a correct point.
Again, social media as well as artificial intelligence both have the positive as well as negative impact. But I think AI has the
Gentlemen, let us talk about numbers. Let us talk about
Whenever I want to add a point,
Gentlemen, kindly speak one at a time. Now, test number 10, you can put your point.
I guess, in my view, education sector is most impacted by the AI because it is killing the very essence of exploring nature of the students. Earlier we used to go to libraries and explore the topics which we were given by the teachers.
But now we can
Now we only go to AI and which
It just simplified our way and the hard work.
Gentlemen, let us talk about numbers. What is the major usage of social media by the maximum number of people using social media? They are generally consuming the content and not creating the content. So when we are consuming the content, there is no particular impact of AI. We are just scrolling.
There is a one impact of AI because we take photos and we do AI Photoshop.
But gentlemen, only 15% of the social media content is created using AI. But
Yes, I partially agree to, but normal people also use AI on taking photos, making videos.
But gentlemen does the editing of the photos of AI.
If we see the impact of
and
AI,
AI characters to educate the people all
But does does
in short,
but gentlemen,
long
does the
videos
editing
also.
of the photo through AI feature can impact your life in a huge manner?
Yes, it is the quality.
Does-
It
it
is
is
the
just-
quality of the
But
content
from
that is
AI,
It is
produced.
quality
we are
and
making
the quality
education
of the
videos
AI enhance the
also on
photo.
social media.
So educational videos are research using we use AI features to research about educational content which we are producing on social media. So the first premises come when we are educated and we are using AI for our benefit to research about these
Yes, I
educational
agree
videos that
with
we
the
are
fact
producing.
that all these majorly students are misusing the AI to just complete their homework within the time, and they are more focusing on the social media. They are ignoring hard work and ignoring their education.
But recently, the most about the cases of AI are come on social media. I think so.
By doing smart work, they don't get to know about the.
But gentlemen, smart work doesn't mean that we are killing our creativity or creativity.
Gentlemen,
In the education, there is no smart work.
gentlemen,
Curiosity. So, don't you think that internet can be researched well to solve our curiosity?
And the
it is
field of-
interconnected
and
both the
field of
topics. But I am
transportation
saying
also-
that
Using AI is generally
it's-
making people weaker in researching skills.
Now you had a fruitful discussion. Now, who all have covered science and technology? I don't think anyone has covered science and technology. Only except one. Most of you have gone for the social media and education. Now, as far as the education is concerned, so many things have come in AI about the education. Like you can find whatever thing or all your projects, whatever things you are there. Can't you find that on this? Now, what else in the education? Can't you do research? हो सकता है डाटा एनालिसिस हो सकता है
Robotic technology.
रोबोटिक टेक्नोलॉजी है वो हो सकता है और व्हाट एल्स कैन बी देयर इन एजुकेशन
AI teachers हो गए.
AI ट्यूटर्स आ गए हैं वो ट्यूटर्स का सारा आ गया तो इजीली यू कैन डू इट देन यू कैन एनालाइज योर परफॉर्मेंस और नॉट
Mock test, AI mock test, AI study plans बना के
AI study plans, AI mock test. Okay, that is some of the points which are there for education. Now, what for social media? Social media, which is the important factor which has taken place, that the AI is able to filter whether it is a fake news or not. That is a very important factor. Now, then social media, what else can be there in social media?
Deepfake,
Okay, deepfake, content creating. Now, if you have seen the news in on TV, some of the Aaj Tak and all that, isn't the
We have to press only and say open this as
nahi,
AI to after.
secondly, the news anchors are there.
Yes, they are also using.
Especially, we have started on a slow process. Only the temperature is being told about the major cities. It's about the weather report which is there. What else in science and is this social media?
The social media, it is because of the AI, they also.
What is AI algorithm? What is AI's algorithm?
Of the content which
It filters out the content which you
It
need.
recommends content that we need.
Okay. What else?
promotes business so that the single type of reel goes to a
No.
single person.
Then it gives you ad performance analysis also.
Digital marketing.
Digital marketing. Then want to know about that if you want to go for a one particular thing, how will you come to know? You feed it there. Then coming to science and technology, what all?
There are AI robots that can produce, make the rate of productivity very high. In case of people, the AI robots can solve the problem which are complex problems.
So train accident, road accidents can be prevented by incorporating AI.
Yes,
accident.
in advance,
Early warning system.
early warning system will be there so that you come to know
Automation.
automation, etc.
Factory automation.
Self-driving car also.
Huh?
Self-driving car also.
Yes, that is there. Now science and technology. Come to science and technology. वही चल रहा है और बताओ science and technology. This research analysis.
So in vaccines also AI is for making vaccines it is using.
Sir, robotic technology in factories so that GDP and production can be increased.
Okay, but now that was as far as your group discussion was concerned. Now, just think of what are the disadvantages of AI. You should also know that.
So we have also covered on that on
Huh?
social media.
It is not part of your this discussion, but you should know about the disadvantages of AI.
Yes, sir. We have also discussed that due to rules and AI, people are using making the fake voice notes and
Which is the most important factor. It is creating unemployment.
Decreasing productivity.
Huh?
Create researching skills are decreasing
Okay.
creativity.
Now he is telling that he is decreasing productivity. Is it?
Productivity, no creativity. Creativity.
Productivity, but decreasing.
Researching skills are reducing.
Students are just copying.
Okay.
Research and analytical skills are
Isn't
reducing.
it eating your mind? तुम्हें सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं होती.
Analytical skills are reducing.
And
Logical and analytical
as
skills
it is, your mobile has taken most of the things away. तुम्हारा दिमाग चाट गया पहले ही. Now AI has also come. वो भी तुम्हारा reducing your mental activity. अरे क्या करना है? अरे प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चलिए AI में चला देते हैं, बना देते हैं. अरे क्या करना है? ये बना देते हैं. हैं?
Analytical
अगर दोस्त भी बनाते, what type of friend you want? ऐसे 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 हो जाना चाहिए.
Exploring nature.
हैं?
Newspaper industry, sir. Replace the men working in the newspaper industry.
वो तो हो गया ना.
Sir, creating a reducing the social skills of people.
Now, okay.